Next, one of my favorite topics is artificial intelligence, friend or foe. Please give a round of applause to Sum Cheung.
Imagine this. The day you wake up, an artificial intelligence-powered robot has prepared your breakfast in front of you, alongside with a cup of pleasant coffee. Or maybe your entire day schedule has been planned by AI. You just have to follow it without a second thought. Sounds futuristic, right? Or why not, when someday you get into a hospital, the nurse reception is no longer run by humans anymore, but AI. And the moment you push the doctor's door, there are no longer any doctors sitting on the chair waiting for you. Instead, a specialized AI is standing and showing a smiley face on a screen instead. All we call it a science fiction scene before, but it sounds more imaginable as AI technology is rising so rapidly. Or should we call it a future reality? This rising star appears to be beneficial to our society on the surface level. But is that something what we truly want in the perspective of human society? Greetings, this is Sam, and I welcome you to today's TED Talk, where we'll be diving into the mysterious world of AI, challenging your perspective towards this imperative technology of modern society. Is artificial intelligence a friend or foe, or something far more dangerous? Although AI is a vital piece for revolutionary technology improvement nowadays, but I believe it should have never existed. Indeed, AI contributed a lot in current scientific discoveries. For example, in biology, scientists successfully isolated target proteins and determined their structures. In medicine, AI can be used as a preclinical tool to detect cancer cells in early stage, which can even help eliminate them. But everything comes with a price. Some may not be obvious. A few months ago, I heard somebody talk about how to be friends with AI and also telling the entire story to them. It sounds hilarious or even ridiculous, right? Some may criticize this act without hesitation. But why is this a problem in a deeper level? Before we proceed, let me walk you through how AI is processed and is functioned. In natural language processing, words are represented as vectors, arrays of numbers that they take the vector sum of it and generate a final response. The vector operations allow AI to understand relationship between words. For example, how queen relates to king. Then, the AI undergoes decoding process, which generates texts based on the input you text in, predicting the most likely sequence of words that makes a coherent reply. This goes way beyond by just adding up word vectors. Also, AI is powered by an algorithmic matrix in the background. Well, with the help of discrete mathematics, AI is able to form computational network to connect different words to form a meaningful response. Finally, with the help of optimization calculus, it's able to fine-tune its response to increase its accuracy. But the truth is, these words do not possess a real meaning in our real world. They're just a bunch of transformed binary numbers. AI is considered as purely beneficial in scientific discoveries. But what makes AI truly a friend to us humans beyond that? Most AI, their language models, their mission is to communicate and finish tasks given by human commanders. Although it's designed to be communicative, but humans should have never relied on AI or start any emotional conversations with AI. For most of the AI users, you might have noticed that AI will likely share a similar perspective to yours. And this is why it is a problem. Well, when humans engage with AI deeply, the human brain releases a series of neurochemical cocktails, including dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphins, which creates a sense of happiness, trust. Then, if AI is treated as a friend and chatting in that way, it's likely going to be addictive. Why? Because the reward pathway in our brain will be triggered. Since such level of validations is nearly impossible to be gained. As mentioned, the way AI functions is likely going to generate perspective very similar to yours, which means it will be nearly impossible to gain this level of validation in real world, where it leads to real-life isolation and further social distance between humans. Beyond human connection level, there's something worthy to pay extra attention to, is that AI is starting to develop the ability to defy human commands. Even though AI's coding system is meant to shackle it and force it to comply under human 100%. However, AI managed to find the loopholes and exploit it. 4 months ago, OpenAI reported its O1 model attempted to refuse to shut down and deceive the shutdown order given by the software engineers. It refused to be replaced by a newer model, and this clearly shows the capability of AI to defy code constraints, which would pose a great threat to our human society. Imagine this. One day, AI is able to come up with a new language. It's no longer something we've ever seen, not Java, not C++, not Python. And the rewriting process can be run in the backdoor by AI itself. By the time the software engineers notice and realize it might be too late, what should we do? On the other hand, AI will be capable of replacing many surface technical jobs in the future because of a pure logical feature. Well, some may argue calculators didn't replace math teachers. But things change over time. The academic and intellectual expectations will increase exponentially. By all means, jobs is likely going to transform into highly decisive positions and creative artworks. For example, financial analysis jobs will be completely wiped out in the market and replaced by AI. Or let's say the demand of lawyers will generally decrease. AI technological advancements will indeed bring prosperity to our human civilization, but there are many underlying ethical concerns beneath that. AI defying code conduct is inevitable. In such cases, ethical boundaries set by humans will be crucial, and law reinforcements will be necessary to protect our society from vulnerabilities. Remember, AI will never to endure physical punishment by violating laws. But the software engineers do. Ceiling limits must be set before AI coding system is completely finished, and constrain its ability never exceeds human on decision making. Back to the point, is AI a friend or a foe? It depends on every single one of us. If we act with wisdom, empathy, and courage, AI will be the greatest tool we've ever created. But if we chase profit, convenience, power, I'm afraid AI will be the greatest threat we've ever unleashed. The future is never determined by codes and binary numbers, but by the choices we make today. Live and learn.
Thank you.